Yo, racers, what's up? Welcome back to the garage. Lately, I've been seeing this crazy hack method blowing up everywhere in the CSR2 scene. People are saying you can stack up insane amounts of gold and cash straight from your phone. No PC, no complicated setups, just pure mobile action. Honestly, I wasn't buying it at first. It sounded way too good to be legit. But you already know how we do. I had to jump in, test it myself, and see if it's actually worth the hype. So in this video, I'm taking you through everything step by step, exactly how I tried it. And by the end, we're hitting the garage to check the results together. Let's see if this method is actually a game changer. First, you'll need your player ID. You can usually find it in your profile or somewhere in the settings. For me, it only took a few seconds to locate. Once I had it, I copied it and saved it so I could use it later. Pretty simple step. Nothing complicated here. Next, I opened up a browser on my phone. I'm using Chrome, but honestly, any browser should work. I searched for the site everyone was talking about. When it loaded, I didn't get any weird pop-ups or redirects. The page actually looked clean and normal, which I didn't really expect. Alright, so once I pulled up the site, I went straight to the search bar and looked for the CSR2 Gold and Cash hack everyone's been talking about. It popped up pretty quickly, so I tapped into it and moved to the next step. From there, it asked me to choose my device. I'm running Android, but I noticed they had iOS covered too, so no one's left out. Next up, I dropped in my player ID. I made sure to double check it. You definitely don't want to mess that part up. And then I hit continue to move forward. Alright, so the next part was choosing how much gold and cash I wanted to load into the account. Since we're not here to play small, I cranked it all the way up and went with the max. Had to see what this thing can really do. After locking that in, the process kicked off. A few loading bars started rolling, showing different steps like syncing the account and pushing the resources. Everything was laid out pretty clean, so it actually felt easy to follow. Right before it wrapped up, there was a quick verification step. Nothing crazy. The instructions were simple, and it only took a minute. I already handled that earlier, so we're gonna skip past it. Let's jump back into the garage and see if this actually delivered. Alright, moment of truth. I jumped back into CSR2 and headed straight to my balance, checked my gold, checked my cash, and yeah, it actually showed up. No restart, no delays, it updated instantly as soon as I loaded into the game, which I wasn't expecting at all. Now I'm curious, have you guys ever tried anything like this in CSR2? Let me know how it went for you down in the comments. If you enjoyed this test and want to see more CSR2 experiments, make sure you smash that like button and hit subscribe so you don't miss what's next.